patient the ejection fraction was 30%, and we didn't have any retro options here. You see, this is a very tortuous epicardial collateral, and it has no connection. Maybe CC0, CC1 connection to the LAD here, and the other one, the epicardial, is also epicardial. It's going into the occlusion in the CTO body, and it has no connection with the main vessel here. So it was very challenging case, and we punctured here with a 6 gram. This is 6 gram AnyreachP. We punctured, and I think the most important thing, even this is a polymer jacketed wire, the why this wire is working so well is I think the 6 gram ability. So it's a strong wire, and it's possible to enter into the true lumen very easily. And here what we did, again 6 gram, and it get knuckled here, and I didn't have any retrograde option. 30% ejection fraction, the patient has heart failure, and the patient began coughing at the table, and then I just wanted to knuckle down here. It's 6 gram, but not with the 6 gram. I changed to AnyreachP 1 gram P to see whether I'm in the structure or not. I feel relieved. Here I am going into the sample, but here I had to knuckle. I knuckled down with 1 gram, and here you will see here I'm in the subinterval space. Okay, I knuckled down, but here you can see that I'm totally subinterval. So we don't have much options. The retrograde, you can see this one here. I tried this for 30 minutes. We used Suo, Filter FC, Filter XDR, CO Black, and AnyreachP 0.0 gram again. It was a desperate, hopeless attempt. So then what we did was this. You can see this connection here that is going into the vessel structure, but it has no connection to the LAD here, as you can see. And what we did, this was the AnyreachP that we have used in the other collateral, in the epicardial collateral. You see, we want to track this one here. We have a more than 90-degree curve here, and we want to reach this point here. So, what we did, and we were able to, you can see if I push the wire, how it knuckled down here. It was not easy to go with this AnyreachP 3 gram wire. It was used previously, and you can see here the end of the wire. Here there is no more way to go into the LAD. You can see here, it's the end. It's a blocked road. Okay. What we did, we made a bold move because this patient had no other option. Then we introduced 6 gram AnyreachP into the occlusion of the septal and tried to enter into the LAD. You can see we were lucky. This was a lucky shot. As today, we did another lucky shot today in my life case. So my life cases are always coming to an end. I'm going to fail, and then something happens, and everything again is back on track. So, but it is the story of my life cases. So, and then here we went into the guiding catheter, and then we did tip-in. Here you can see, we will do the tip-in. This is again the same AnyreachP 6 gram. And sometimes if you cross the CTO, okay, you lose the shape of the wire. And if you lose the shape of the wire, it's not easy to make it tip-in. Then you have to go with your microcatheter down into the guiding catheter. It might not be possible if you have heavy calcification. But this wire didn't lose the shape. It was the same shape. I tracked the CTO lesion. So after tip-in, I went down with my 2.6 French Elong microcatheter. I went very down deep, so I put the wire here, take out the wire, the 6 gram, and then I put the dual lumen. And after dual lumen, I did a kissing here. And then here, this was the end result. I didn't put any stent. This was the end result after 330 to 3.530 protege DEB. This is what I could do in this case, at least. I failed in this case because this is TB2 flow. But I I think I failed gracefully. So I did everything that I could, and even crossed an uncrossable, thanks to 6-gram AnyreachP, I was able to cross an uncrossable connection, epicardial connection. So, and we will check on this patient again after 3 months. I think it will heal good, because we have some contrast staining here, but I think it will be good in the end.